constant guessing. You ask me to read your book I've never read. You should talk about the day spent tonight. The room is way too silent. Maybe I should agree to silence instead. No, no, I'm going out tonight. I don't care if we fight. I'm just telling you what I know. Girl, you reap what you sow. Girl, you reap what you sow. Well, boy, you've been working. I keep thinking you're out flirting. What do you expect from me? I'm tired of sitting round all day. Had enough of this essay. I think it's gonna end badly. Well, I'm going out tonight. I don't care if we fight. I'm just telling you what I know. Boy, you reap what you sow. Oh, you reap what you sow.
If you'd like to purchase the trip video, it's as simple as going to threeriversfun.com. Make sure to follow all the fun and excitement on our Facebook, YouTube, Google+, and Twitter.